Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame right now, and as you can see, it looks like we have put in a nice little consolidation over here, and we are testing into our first EMA, finding a little bit of resistance. But I do think the next step is getting us to this $20,500, $20,600 area to see if we can hold that level or reject from there and look for lower. If we can just hold sideways, I would assume that we would test into that area. If we do find some resistance, if the market open and we push off of that area and then lose this area here, then definitely keep an eye out for those negative point of controls, such as 19.5 and around 18.5 and then back 17.5. So you have $1,000 increments. So keep that in mind. If we do close above 20,500, I think the next one is 22,000. Okay. Because of time, our levels are getting a little bit more spread out. So there gives us a little bit more room for profit if we trade properly. Here is the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, our EMAs are just stacked on each other. So we're about to break in one direction or the other. Does look like a pre-market for USA is about 140 points up. So that does say, hey, we might have a nice little pop up during open. I'm looking to see if we can claim this $20,000 area, and then I'll be looking for 20,500 to 20,600. But we are squeezing so tight right now that this rejection here has me a little concerned that the downside is possible. But as I look at USA pre-market, it looks like upside is more likely. I know you might find some resistance at this negative point of control and then roll around the downside. So we will wait to see how the market opens up, and then we can have a better decision as we see what retail wants to do. But looking at pre-market, it looks like it's going to be an upward move first at open, and then we will look at rejection at the afternoon around the 4-hour close. So that is Bitcoin for you. Let's go quickly and look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking a lot better than Bitcoin on a daily. Ethereum is actually testing into a point of pretty large resistance right now, which is around 1700. I do think we're gonna see a little bit of resistance at around 1710, 1720, due to the fact that this has now basically made a head and shoulder. And we can go sideways and up from here and just, basically this was a consolidation range and this was another consolidation range. As soon as we break above 1750, I will assume that we're going to go for the next target around 1800-ish to 1900. But as of right now, we have to see if we can break above 1680. If we can get a 4-hour open and close above 1680, I think we'll go to that $19,000 to $2,000 area next. First, level by level, obviously, I'm going to look for 1750. I'll look for my 1800-ish range, and then we'll look for this 2030 dollar area, which I do think will give us a little bit of a pullback here. But I mean, we can still go higher from here and find resistance like all the way up here at like 21 to 22. So this is where I'm looking for the resistance right now, right in this little area. And when we get there, we'll see how the reaction is. The pre-market is still climbing. Here's the 4-hour on Ethereum, much healthier than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is getting rejected at the 100. We're already up and beyond. We are at our resistance, as I was saying. So around 17, 20 is where I'm looking for the resistance on a 4-hour. The wicks to the upside are also telling that we are slowly coming into a top. Volume is subsiding. So at the end of this 4-hour candle, after markets open, I am expecting the top to be coming in. So keep your eye on this. We are waiting for the markets to open to see this, if it's gonna come to fruition or not, and we will trade it accordingly. Aside from that, this is a little inverse head and shoulder situation. So if a breakout of the neckline would be like right around there, so 1800-ish. So we are looking at $100 increments on Ethereum from 16 1780 to about 1710 to 1720, and then we're looking for 1800 to 1820 range. So there you go, guys. That's Ethereum and Bitcoin for you guys. We're looking for a little bit of an upside move as markets open, and we're trying to find our resistance to see if we can hedge a short. As of right now, this is not the greatest area. We want a little bit higher. Like if we could just poke above this, 1715, 1730, and then come back down, a little bit better. Aside from that, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the section below. I will get back to you ASAP. If you have any other assets you would like me to cover, let me know and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible with the charts. Please do make sure you like, subscribe, and press the bell button for notifications. I would greatly appreciate it. Yesterday we took a chill day on the videos, but I was in the Discord and we were going through a few assets to see if we can trade, so that was fun. And today we will be doing the same. So if you have any coin that is on your list of what can happen, well, let me give you my thoughts. It wouldn't hurt. And aside from that, if you would like to join our Discord group, please feel free to find it in the description of this video below, and it's completely free. We do have a member side that has been closed off, and we will probably be opening it back up for October or November. I'm not really sure, but we will do a little bit of a special to let more people get back onto the members side. We just want to get everything hammered out, and once the few people that are in there are situated and we have a nice little routine going, we will let others come in so that way we can grow our vision on these coins, because everyone's looking at a few other assets. So it's a good thing that we all have our eye on a few coins and we can all work together to see if we can get some opportunities in them. So as I was saying, we're looking for a pop-up into the market open. We're looking for a way to hedge after the 4-hour close if we find some weakness. And if so, we will try to take a short around 1720, 1730. If it's too more than 1730, we can stop out and then try again at around 1820, 1830, all the way to 1850. So we're trying to short here and we're trying to short here. All right, well, talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Be safe.